again. We're back in my kitchen. Oh yes we are. I'm sorting that out. I am, because yesterday it was making a terrible noise. We needed to cook some jacket potatoes for lunch yesterday. We did, and it started doing a funny smell, and yeah, it wasn't fun at all. It's doing that way a bit more. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give it a hoover out into all the air vents, you know, all the little air vents that has it going on. Turn the power off first, shall we? Unplug it, yes. And then we're going to give the top a wipe down and give the microwave a wipe down, just to see if we can get it working up. It happened a couple of years ago. It did. It did the same thing and got full of dust. So that's the idea, to get rid of the dust. Yes. Pull it out. Right, it's going to be a little noisy, but it's staying in the living room, in the hallway. Right, so I'm going in the vent on the side first. I don't know if this is going to work, but... I can't get down there anymore because I've lost my adapter. Hopefully the noise is done with. Yes, so I'm going to give it a good spray. I'm using my Dettol surface cleanser. Give it a good spray down. Spray down there as well. Get that out. Get that clean. So I've never done a microwave clean before with you, have I? But it just, with it making that noise and things yesterday, it was, I want to not have to buy a new microwave. I do. So try and see if the hoover will work in making it get a bit dust free. Plus it gives me a good excuse to give it a good clean, doesn't it really? probably could do with the back taken off and a good clean in there, but I'm not doing that. I am not messing about with the microwave like that. No chance, because I will then need a new microwave, won't I? Because I will have broken it. Because I'm not a microwave repairman, I'm just trying to keep the microwave living a bit longer. Yes. That is my aim anyway. Whether or not it works is a whole different story. Can we tip? Oh, in the boat. Open the door with my hand. How clever is that? Down over here, like so. I have Lego underneath my microwave. I'm going to rinse out my sponge, my cloth, and I'm going to wipe down the side that it sits on. Bits under here. I don't know why though. Nothing goes near it to get bits underneath. I don't quite get it. The washing machine is meant to be further in than that as well. While that's moved, I might get my clock down here. Give that a wipe. It's been a while. I don't think I've took it down since we put it up to wipe it. Wow. You can tell. Back in 1 second. Again. I'm back. Pause along. And rinse my clothes down. Get that wall another little wipe down. So yes, when I've done this cleaning, the washing and the dishwasher's on. I don't know if I can get my clock back up. I want to change my kitchen around. I do. But to do that, I want to put my active fryer, my slow cooker, in my cupboard. I do. And I want to move my microwave. I don't like it on here. I don't. Just want to change things around. I think because I've nearly done the bedroom, I want to change things around in here now. It's always the same, that, isn't it? When you get the bug for cleaning and decorating. I don't want to decorate. I like it being the white walls, and I like the actual doors, and I love my picture and things like that, but I just want my microwave moving from there. And I want to tidy up on there, and yeah, it just feels very cluttered. And I'm going off clutter, and I've got my clock back up on my own. I'm shocked. You know, the bits of the wall. Right, is that straight? Make sure it's straight. Right, now we're gonna slide the microwave back. Turn that on. cooker as well. The cooker is atrocious. It is. There's so many things I want to get done. I think I need to clone myself and make 2 of me. Because there just doesn't seem to be enough time in the day for 1 of me. So if I clone myself and make 2 of me, I'd be a bit better. Yes. Right. Microwave's cleaned out anyway. What is all that? What is all that up there? Well, that was gross. That. Right. That's that clean. I'm gonna wipe that out here. Finish that off. Looks like a brand new microwave. It does. So we're going to stand you on it while I clean the bar that goes inside it. Bar, plate. It's quite a big plate that goes inside it, for how small it is. That's the wheel that makes it go round. The wheels and the buses go round and round, round and round. Sorry. I'm losing it, but I'm loving it. Right, so that's it. Now we're gonna clean the plate. Without dropping it. To say that it is quite heavy. Nice and clean. And slot that back in. I tend to do it wherever it wants to land. And then, right, let's have a little look. I know I didn't do the inside of the door. We're going to do that now. Yeah, put you on there. Didn't do the inside of the door. We did everywhere else but the inside. And that's the window to the soul, is it not? The window to the microwave, anyway. There we go. That's better. That's clean now. There's a mark on the front though. Don't think it's going to come off. It's a scratch. We shall wipe it down with the cloth again. And there we go. A nice clean microwave. Yes. Let's hope now I've saved my microwave for another year. Wouldn't it be nice? Yes. Don't forget, guys, to give my video a lovely like, share the love, subscribe to my beautiful channel, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, all at Adelesexyuk. I love you all. Goodbye.